guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. If you're new to my channel, my name is Grace, so I'd love it if you would stick around and subscribe for more videos from me. Today's video is a day in the life of a new mum, so I'm just waking up with Emilia in the morning. This time sort of varies depending on like what good night's sleep or bad night's sleep she's had the night before and myself. So I just start off with a little bottle for her, then I take her through to get her nappy changed and change her clothes, get her ready for the day. I normally sort out her clothes the night before just to make life a bit easier. As you can see, she's had a bit of a post-explosion this morning, so yeah, just gonna sort that out for her. So I actually didn't pick any clothes out for her. She's currently going through a phase of growing out of the previous clothes she was in. She's not in her tiny baby clothes anymore, so I'm just picking what to wear. I always make sure to moisturise her face every single day. I'm using this Child's Farm moisturiser, which is a lot harder to do with just one hand. And then Emilia is ready and she's super chilled after having a nice little face massage. Next step is to sort out our room and sort out our bed. Once that is all sorted, I pop Emilia in her sleepy head. She loves to lie in this, get all nice and cosy, and she always watches the telly. Like, she looks with her little eyes and watches whatever I sort of pop on telly for her. And now it's my turn to get ready. Good morning, everyone. I feel like I can say a proper hello and good morning this morning now. We have just had the tiniest little bit of our bottle. You didn't really want much, did you? No. So we are heading into town this morning. Look at little face. We're heading into town this morning and we're going to go meet my mum, and then we both have a doctor's appointment for our 8-week checkup this afternoon at the doctor's. It's a new doctor's I've not been to. We've just moved, well, moved just before I had her, so we moved about, well, 2 months ago. She's 8 weeks at the end of this week. Or is it meant to be? No, it's meant to be her 6-week checkup. That's what it is. It's meant to be a 6-week checkup, but they didn't have any space. Not an 8-week checkup, but she will be 8 weeks this week. Confusing. So we are headed into town. I think I mentioned it. I filmed a clip like 4 times, so I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. I'm just going to set up my music, the tunes, and then I might put a podcast on actually. And then I think I'm going to go, oh, I need to ring Jay first. That's the first thing I need to do. So yeah, we're going to head into town and see my mother. I also got a new car, which I might do a car tour on, if anyone is interested in that. My car tour, the last one did really well, so I would love to do another one. I still get comments on it all the time asking questions about that car, and that video is like probably 3 or 4 years old now, so I would like to do a car tour of this car. So let me know if you'd like to see a car tour. It's like the worst shot ever because I've just got like a line of shade and sun across my face. We're gonna head into town. I've just got home. Town was an absolute disaster. I didn't do half the stuff I wanted to do. It just wasn't great, but went to town, got a couple of bits. I'm not going to show you because they're Christmas presents, so there's no point in me showing you them. But went to town, met my mum, which was lovely, went to Pret and had a bit of lunch and a coffee, which is really cute. And then went to the doctor's. Emilia is now just over £9, which I can't believe. Like, it's really hard to describe because she was so small. Like, she was £4. She was just so tiny, and I didn't really realise at the time. I knew she was a small baby, but I didn't realise how small she actually was. And now she's in her little swing, and she's now £9. Everyone says that babies grow so fast, and they do. They do. Here she is. You're so cute. I'm going to put in a picture whilst this is on here. I'm going to put in a picture just here of what she was. What she was like when she first was in her swing, and hopefully you can see the difference in size, because she was just so small. Bless her. Do you like your swing? I think you do, but I think you're hungry. Yeah. Should we have some milkies? Jay has also nearly finished work. It's, what's the time now? Just gone 3 o'clock. He starts work really early, so by like 3 or 4 he's like done his day. So he's nearly finished work. He's going to come home. I'm going to feed her, and then we're going to have a little walk down to the local shop where his mum works, and take her to see her. Look at this face. She's got a little hat on that my mum made her with a little bobble, and she's got this pram suit on that is from Mothercare. Jay's just got home, so we're going to go for a walk down to the shops. We are all done in the shop. I didn't show the shop just because I need to know where Jay's mum works. So yeah, we're just walking back now. We got a little bit for tea. Did we get anything interesting? No, so we're walking back now. So we just got home. It's pitch black outside, I love it. I'm gonna get some blinds for each of these. It's quite wide though, that's the only thing. My mum is really good at making curtains and blinds like she used to do. She used to have a interior shop, and she would make blinds and stuff and make everything look like she's just so nice. My mum's so talented in that like section. She's currently making some blinds for Emilia's nursery upstairs, and I've asked her to make more blinds for the house. So we're gonna have some blinds on these double doors that goes into the garden, and then we've got a kitchen window there. I want to get like grey checkered kind of material, kind of country, a little bit similar to our little table runner. We got this table, someone was getting rid of it for free. This is all our clean washing that needs to go upstairs. Somebody was giving this away for free, so we were like, we'll have it. So I think tomorrow my mum is coming round and we're gonna like upcycle it, we're gonna like varnish it, because it's just like a really cute little table. And I picked this table runner up. I really got it for Christmas. It was £2.50. It was meant to be like £12. It was 70% off. So yeah, I picked that up, which I love. I love that this video is turning more into like just a daily vlog. If you enjoy these kind of videos, please let me know down below, because I would definitely do more sort of just like days that we kind of do. I want to be uploading a couple of videos a week, so if you want to see anything, pop it down below and I'll do it, because I just want to get back into making content. Basically, we have our little Christmas tree up, which looks really nice in the evening. It's all sparkly. I want to get a new, I've had this tree for so long, and I've had so many decorations on it for so long. I picked up a few new ones this year. I got, Emilia's in her little swing, by the way. Just left her. We've got these, if it wants to focus, from Tesco with the glitter in. It comes in a pack of 3. And we've got a bauble for Emilia that says, if you can see, it's quite dark in here, baby's first Christmas 2019. but like the star and stuff, I've just had it for so long, so I need to like update it. Oh, I got this one new as well, Tesco. This one's from Tesco, Meet Me Under the Mistletoe. Yeah, and then all the prezzies are all wrapped up underneath. I would love to know if you have done your Christmas shopping yet. Have you bought everything yet? Anyway, Jay is on cooking duty and I am on a quick tidy up and a sort out, and then my mom's gonna come over tomorrow and help me like organise the house. So it's now nearly bedtime. Her pyjamas here. Pop her in some nice clean cozy clothes and get her ready for bed. Yes, bedtime. Oh bless you. Oh bless you. Oh bless you. Right, she's all in her evening attire. Aren't you? Aren't you? Is it bedtime? Yeah. Kick, 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 go on. Kick, kick. Yay! Yeah, bedtime, yeah, go to bed, yeah. Yes. Oh no, we don't want to scream. We want to be nice and quiet for bedtime. Yes. Oh. Oh no. Right guys, I'm gonna sign off here. I'm about to pop her in bed. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up so I know that you like these kind of videos. Yes, we want them to give it a thumbs up, don't we? Yes, nod your head if it's a yes. Yep. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you are new to my channel and I will see you very soon for another video.